Question 64. Did all humans come from one mother? The answer. For more than 40 years, biologists have been affirming that all humans trace back to one mother. Researchers from the University of California conducted studies on mitochondrial genomes, and it is known that mitochondria, which are cell organelles, have their own DNA, and it is completely different from the DNA found in the cell nucleus. The remarkable feature of mitochondrial DNA is that the mitochondria of all humans come only from the mother. This is because the mitochondria in the sperm from the father, the sperm loses it the moment it enters the egg's wall, so only the mother's mitochondria remains in the fertilized cell. Therefore, when scientists study mitochondrial DNA, they trace the maternal lineage. The astonishing observation that scientists have discovered is that the lineage of all humans on Earth traces back to one woman who has been named mitochondrial Eve. According to the mitochondrial DNA study, we all trace our lineage back to one mother. Today, you can determine your degree of kinship with any other person in the world from the mitochondrial DNA of both of you, and you can even determine at which ancestor you separated.